Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Dave's Man Cave. Hit like, hit subscribe, leave a comment. Takes you mere seconds, but it helps a brother out. So I've done some reviews lately of some of the new Victorinox, the new Alox knives. Their Alox refined, really good. I also did a review recently of the new Leatherman Wave Alpha, which in most ways I'm pretty happy with it. So go check that stuff out if you're into this kind of stuff. But in the overarching theme of EDC, I had a good light. It was an Olight. I don't remember what it was. It was really small, tubular shaped, and really freaking bright. And somehow I managed to lose it. But said, well, I need to replace it. And I've got a couple Coast flashlights that are really good, but they're quite large. And so I wanted to get something that was more conducive to EDC. So again, I went with the folks at Olight. Does this come with a charger? I guess it's in this little box here. Cool. So what we've got is I went with a different light than I normally would have. I don't know what this coin is for, but whatever. Comes in a nice package, kind of like an iPhone. But this is the Arkfed Ultra. We'll go over the specs in a moment. Let me pull that out. Let me grab the charger for it. It is magnetic. We'll just go click. Ooh, that's actually a really strong magnet. Also, there's a magnet built into the base here, so if you wanted to use the flashlight somewhere, you can stick it to something and actually it'll support its own, well, it almost support its own weight that way, but certainly if it's pointing down, like you have it on the underside of the hood of your car or something, you can just stick it there and use the light. So what we've got here is the Arkfed Ultra. So this is part of their EDC line. Very powerful and interesting. I mean, actually, it almost looks kind of like an OTF knife, a large one, like a Combat Trudon from Microtech. And so what I liked about this one is it's a 3-in-1 light. It's rechargeable, recharges through a USB port. You just plug that into any phone charging brick, power source, and just go boom, and it'll automatically line up, and it'll just start charging it. This one, does it give a specific model number? Not really. It's just called Arkfed Ultra 3-in-1 EDC flashlight with aluminum material. So it's some proprietary blend of aluminum. It's supposed to be stronger than T6. I don't know. It also is supposed to have some good cooling properties to help keep this bad boy cool. Let's see. Do we have weight on it? Let's see if we can get some measurements. Let's see. It's crafted from aluminum. It's a special material that's 1.73 times as hard as standard 6061 aluminum alloy. All right. You've got a combined white light with 1400 lumens. You've got a UV light in the 900 milliwave, microwave, I don't know, whatever MW is, and a green laser, class 3R. So you can use it for pointing things out. So supposedly it's going to keep itself more cool. It's got some gription kind of texture there to help keep it really does feel like an OTF, like a Microtech. It's got a really nice finish. Not just the shape. It actually is a really nice design. And then you've got a lens protecting your LED and your, I don't know which one's UV or not. Anyway, they have a lifetime warranty, 30-day money-back guarantee. You can get them in different colors, as well as the flashlight itself. You can get it in the temperature, the color of the light. I went with the 5700K to 67, which is your brilliant white, almost bordering on bluish. It's as white as you get. They have a lower color that's a little more natural lighting looking. I want to just light up the night with this little thing. You can customize it if you want and have stuff engraved on it if you want to pay extra for that. But these go for about $120. I'll put a link to the Amazons in the description. And let's see, product details. Does it give us anything else? Fresh over time. No. Natural hue, natural feel. It's got a battery indicator. So this has almost no charge in it, so I'm going to have to charge it up. And what you basically do here is you rotate this to point, there's a little arrow there, at whatever, flashlight you're wanting to use. Now, right now, my battery is probably dead. Oh, I got a little bit of charge there. You got a strobe light. You can hit that, and you got different brightnesses. And apparently if you double tap it, it goes, whoops. This has a feature where you can double tap it, and it can go to its turbo mode, or you can change the programming on it. And if you want to go 1, 2, 3, you can go into that turbo mode. This is really stupid bright. You also have the ability to use a laser. So you can use the laser. I don't know if you can you do a, no, you can do a laser with the flashlight, which is kind of cool. And then of course you've got your UV light, which would be really good for, I can use that for my watch reviews now to show the lume. Not bad. Or before you sit down a hotel room bed and you want to kind of see if maybe you shouldn't do that. So the UV, does it have different light settings? No. Apparently the UV is just either on or off. So, kind of interesting though. So we're going to go ahead and charge this one up. I'll do a video of it. This is just the unboxing. We'll take it out tonight with my 2000 lumen Coast that's got an adjustable beam. And I'm going to see, I'm curious, how well this is going to throw downrange, because you don't have a big lens that takes it and focuses into a beam. I'm kind of curious to see how far the throw actually is. I think they say like 143 meters. But it's a 900 milliwatt UV light, less than 5 milliwatt class 3R laser, and it says it's got 1400 lumens. I'm assuming that's in turbo mode, and it's probably only 1000. It's got 3 different steps. You got 315 minutes of UV, 61 hours of laser, and if it's fully charged, you have a moonlight mode where it puts out 1 lumen, which doesn't sound like a lot, but 1 lumen is actually perfect for if you're in a total dark room, you can see the room. You can light up and read things without it reflecting and blinding you. That will last 11 days of nonstop use. So if you're in an emergency situation and you just need a little bit of light to kind of see what you're doing right in front of you, and you're not worried about seeing what's going on 30 yards out, you use moonlight mode and it'll last you a week and a half, which is pretty damn cool for something that small that sits in your pocket. You've also got this pocket clip, which is removable, but I would leave it on to either clip in your pocket or on the brim of your baseball hat. And because it's small and it only weighs a few ounces, it's like 4 ounces, you can put that on the bill of your baseball hat. And then if you're working on something in the car or you need both hands free, you're in a tactical situation, whatever it is, you clip it on your hat and you can work under the hood of your car and do whatever you need to do and have everything lit up just the way you want it. So you switch between modes here just by rotating it to whatever it is you're looking at, and you'll get your green laser, which I'll be playing with the dogs with that. Then you got your flashlights. So you hold the light and it kind of will cycle through. So there's your moonlight mode, just a low light. And I'm in a fairly well-lit room right now. But that luminescence right there, which would be, if it was completely dark in here, would be enough to read everything and show you everything on the desk in the dark just fine. That's where you get 11 days. And then I think if you just hit that and hold it, then it goes into turbo mode. Then you can turn it off. So pretty cool. No, it's actually saying I have a little bit more of a charge than I thought I had. So we're going to go ahead and charge that up fully, and we'll do a test at night against my Coast and just see how far it throws. But I like this stuff for EDC. You get yourself a Leatherman or you get yourself a sack. I do recommend these new A-Locks. That's their premium lines. I recommend it because it's got a pocket clip as well as having a locking blade and some additional tools and features. But something like that, a flashlight's nice to have. It's a little bit, it's bigger than the knife. There are smaller ones. But if you wanted something that's going to last that long, put out that many lumens reliably, and have a laser pointer and a UV light all in one, I don't know of another light that's that small and flat, and you can slide in your pocket, slip it on your belt, and just kind of have it with you at all times. There's a lot of good uses for a flashlight in EDC. Obviously not during the day as much, but if you're walking around at night, you're in the woods, you're hiking, I don't know, you're in a part of town where you can't carry a gun or something like that, or even if you are armed, where I usually am, sometimes it's nice just having a flashlight, having the ability to light up the area, bring attention to something that's going on. Maybe that scares the person off. Or you hit the damn super high intensity strobe light and you blind and disorient the person in the dark and give you time to maybe skedaddle and get out of there. There's a lot of practical uses to have a flashlight in today's world. So I've been looking into these things, and Olight gets really good for the money for $120. I think it's going to be fantastic. So we'll do some testing with it, and we'll get back to you guys. But that's the unboxing. Comes with everything, instructions, tells you how your warranty and how to set it up and turn on different modes. It's all in there. Everything seems pretty well documented. And then you've got your little charger here. So we'll go thread on the charger, and we'll give it a little test drive tonight when it gets dark out. We'll see you guys.